Second sum. In the second sum they given v is a velocity. We know g and k are constants. In expression g and k are present. See, g and k is present. G and k is a constant. V is a velocity and x. V and x are initially 0. They given v and x are initially 0. That is v is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0. Now we will derive this equation. How are we going to? We need to make a variable separable. That is v all one side, x all one side. So I can do nothing but v dv by dx is equal to cross multiply g 1 into k square is k square minus v square by k square. V dv by dx is equal to k square comes outside, g divided by k square into k square minus v square. So dx alone going to move this side, remaining g going to stay here itself. K square mu square come down. How? V dv divided by k square minus v square came down. K square minus v square came down. Still k square is present here. So we make g and k square itself. Let g and k square can be k square minus v square comes down. So what is present remaining is g divided by k square into dx. G and k square is present here itself. K minus v square comes down, dx comes down. So integrating on both sides. The next step is integrating on both sides. So if we are going to integrate on both sides, integration of v dv divided by k square minus v square is equal to g k square is a constant. So integration of dx. V is not constant. G and k is constant. G and k is a constant. So after that, what I want to do, see, differentiate of k square is 0 minus differentiate of v square is 2v. V is present. What is absent? Minus 2 is absent. So put minus 2 here and divide by minus 2 here. Why? K square differentiate is 0 minus differentiate of v square is 2v. So if I want to put minus 2 on numerator, I want to put minus 2 on denominator also. So see, minus 1 by 2. Now only you see the previous formula. What is the formula we have saw? Integration of f dash of x divided by f of x into dx is equal to log f of x plus c. So log, this one is f of x, k square minus v square. G by k square is a constant. Dx integration is x plus c. We need to add finally c. This is a must. We need to add finally c. Keep this equation as 1. After keeping this equation, we need to apply v equal to 0 and x equal to 0. Apply v is equal to 0 and t is equal to 0 in 1. Apply v is equal to 0, nothing but minus 1 by 2 log. If I am going to apply v equal to 0, only k square is present, k square. If I am going to apply v is equal to 0, t is equal to 0. Not t, x. This x is equal to v is equal to, it becomes totally 0, so it becomes only c. Minus 1 by 2 log k square is equal to c. Keep this equation 2. So apply 2 in 1. I have found the c value. Apply 2 in 1. So apply 2 in 1 is nothing but minus 1 by 2 log k square minus v square g by k square x. What is c? Minus 1 by 2 log k square. This will come this side, becomes plus 1 by 2 log k square. After bringing this, it becomes plus 1 by 2. After bringing this, it becomes plus 1 by 2. So what is common here? 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 is common. Take 1 by 2 outside. After taking 1 by 2, first I will let this one because this plus value no, right? Log k square. This is minus log k square minus v square. Close the bracket. Gx by k square. So 1 by 2. Open the bracket. What is the formula? Log a minus log b. Log a minus log b is nothing but log a divided by b. Log a minus log b is nothing but log a by b. K square minus v square is equal to gx by k square. Let 2 will be multiplied here. So log, open the bracket, k square minus v square is equal to 2gx divided by k square. I told you already e is present. I am going to remove log. If e moves this side, so what I can written? K square divided by k square minus v square is equal to e power 2gx divided by k square. So let this one comes here, it moves up. The same what we done in the first sum. K square divided by e power 2gx divided by k square is equal to k square minus v square. Let this moves upward. So plus will become minus k square e power minus 2gx divided by k square is equal to k square minus v square. So I need to find v square. So minus v square come this side, this k square moves this side. So minus v square becomes plus v square is equal to k square minus k square e power minus 2gx divided by k square. What I can take common? K square I can take a common. V square is equal to take k square common. Open the bracket, 1 minus e power minus 2gx divided by k square. So this is the required answer for this sum. See, this answer is given on the v square, not v square. So we are finishing this sum in this step. Thank you.